And happening today, lawyers for the Menendez brothers will ask a judge to reconsider their murder convictions.
Mario Ramirez is live in Van Nuys with more on today's hearing. Mario.
Coco, Brooke, good morning. It's been over 3 decades since the brothers Eric and Lyle Menendez were sentenced to life in prison without parole. We're just outside the Van Nuys Superior Courthouse, where they're expected to attend a hearing today virtually from San Diego, where they're serving their sentences.
The attorneys for Eric and Lyle Menendez asked a judge to reconsider the convictions of the brothers, who are serving life sentences without parole for the 1989 murders of their parents, Jose and Kitty Menendez, in Beverly Hills. But after hearing the testimonies of 2 of the brothers' relatives during the status hearing, a Los Angeles Superior Court judge delayed the December resentencing hearing to January 2025. According to the judge, this will give newly elected District Attorney Nathan Hochman to review the case. The highly anticipated court hearing allowed limited public attendance, with just 16 courtroom seats available through a lottery, which was held outside the Van Nuys courthouse just hours beforehand. Last week, California Governor Gavin Newsom declined to grant the brothers clemency, which was being considered as one route to the pair's freedom. Newsom deferred the review of the case to Hochman, who is being sworn in on December 2. Defense attorney Mark Geragos had asked the judge during the hearing to re-sentence the Menendez brothers on the lesser charge of voluntary manslaughter, a crime for which they have already served 3 times the maximum sentence. The final decision would come down to the parole board for approval. The Menendez brothers were found guilty in 1996 of the murders of their parents, Jose and Kitty, and were ordered to serve life behind bars without the possibility of parole. Eric and Lyle, who were 18 years old and 21 years old at the time of the murders, claimed they acted in self-defense after suffering years of physical and sexual abuse by their father. However, that defense was not allowed to be used in their second trial. Gascon announced in October his recommendation that the brothers be resentenced after an investigation into new evidence presented to the DA's office, allegations that their father also molested Roy Rossello, a former member of the boy band Menudo in the 1980s, and a letter Eric Menendez wrote to his cousin, Andy Cano, which surfaced in 2015, years after Cano's death, was presented. Their names re-entered the limelight last year, thanks to the release of Netflix's Monsters, the Lyle and Eric Menendez story. Like and subscribe for more crime stories.